What your lender's talking about when they say programs. Hey everybody out there, Markie Wingert from Remax Results and the Jenkins real estate team, sitting down with the one and only Taylor V with Finance of America. So Taylor, when we're sitting down with buyers, a lot of times we're talking about programs, and they get very confused because they've only ever heard programs in terms of like their phone or computer.
Sure.
So what are we talking about when we say programs?
Yeah, so loan programs are just basically what options you have, what it's going to fit your needs as a buyer. So there's a lot out there, and really depending on your goals and what you're trying to accomplish, one might make some more sense than another. But I mean, you can be anywhere from conventional, government programs, FHA, USDA, maybe you're a veteran. There's some great bond programs out there where you can get closing costs and down payment assistance. So, I mean, there's tons of programs. You can be doing new construction, you could be doing renovation loans. Those are kind of more niche-y that not everyone does, but yeah, there's tons of options really depending on what your goals are, how long you're trying to be in the home, how much you're trying to put down, you know, several things.
So a lot of different things determine your program, but I mean, how do I as a buyer choose my program, or do you as a lender choose the program for me?
So I'm going to help with that, and the biggest thing we'll go over is your credit score is going to tell you which program is going to make the most sense. So generally it's like based upon credit score, we go this or that way. But then there's a few other factors depending on, like I said, if you're a veteran, well, you might have phenomenal credit and let's go VA. Like this is going to be a perfect option for you. Or maybe you're a first-time home buyer and you need a little closing cost assistance. Well, let's go this program because that's going to be good for you. So it's not as black and white, cut and dry that, hey, you automatically go into this program to this program, but it's more on your credit score and then your needs and your situation based upon, you know, what you're coming in with, down payment, closing costs, several different things.
Excellent, excellent. So it's nice to know that when we're talking about programs, we're just really talking about the loan program, and I as the buyer get to choose what program my credit allows me to be in, and you as a lender kind of explain those different programs, and we can kind of weigh the costs and benefits of each one. So thank you for clearing that up for us. If you guys ever have a question, feel free to leave them down below, call us, text us, email us, and we'll be sure to address it in a future video. Again, Markie Wingert, Remax Results, and the Jenkins real estate team, sitting down with the one and only Taylor V with Refined Lending. Hope you guys have a great week. Boom.